A bit stupid, aren't I? Okay, so we've now moved outside into the courtyard. It's quite nice too because it's fairly cloudy, so it's not too bright out here. Again, I'll try a couple just natural light, and then I'm going to also try a couple with a Profoto too, because the light basically is directly up ahead, but because it's so diffused, it might give a nice look just for natural light. But like I said, I'll give both examples to show you. I'm going to be using the Batis out here and also the 35mm as well to get a bit of a wider perspective, and we'll have a look at those shots now. Okay, so we'll try the natural ones first. So let's have a look. So I'm going to do head and shoulders first, all right? Now I'm going to shoot wide open at 1.8, and I'm on ISO 100, and I'm on 1/25th of a second. It's beautiful. Again, I can use eye detect as well, which is nailing her focus. Now we'll try a couple too, Kiara, with the sun sort of over that way, so bring your face here more around to that side. That's it, lovely. Gorgeous, pretty. So I'm going to put the 35 onto this camera. Okay, so this is full body now. Let me just check, eh? Are you going to change it up at all? Yeah, we'll do it after this actually, yeah? Yeah. So again, I'm on I'm going to shoot at 1.8. Actually, I'll go. Yeah, I'm going to go 1.4. Actually, I am going to shoot wide open. I'm on 250th of a second. I think I have to go a bit darker. 32. So I'm on 1/4000th of a second. ISO 100. And again, I'm trying face detect to see how it goes. And eye detect, and it's working well. Beautiful. Beautiful, Kiara. Lovely. Let me move over this side and see if I can get a different perspective. Not from the camera. No. So I'm just trying a different angle just to get a different perspective here. Alright, now let's do a couple just walking. Alright, so go back a little bit. That's it, and then just start walking towards me. I'm just going to keep firing away. Okay. Check. And go back again. Just because of that sun being that way, focus more on with your face that way, yeah. Okay, go. Alright. I'll get the flash out and then we'll do a change.
If you're looking for some crazy, I'll tell you everybody's standing in a line for the water slide. You can come on over, we can take the roller coaster. You know everybody's looking for a ride in the water slide. Water slide. It's just another Friday in paradise. So bring your A game, cause you know this party won't stop. We could never run out of time, sipping strawberry lime. You know I wanna share it with you. Daisy's going boom boom. Baby, if you're looking for some crazy, I'll tell you everybody's standing in a line for the water slide. You can come on over, we can take the roller coaster. You know everybody's looking for a ride in the water slide. Water slide. It's getting kinda crazy up in here. Got that DJ playing music everybody wants to hear, yeah. It's getting kinda crazy up in here. Everybody wants a ride in the water slide. 3, 4. Baby, looking for some crazy.